Wick, are you laughing about?
That was a good catch, by the way.
Yes. My athleticism is showing.
Put that back in your pants.
It's very small. You can't see it.
I'd have been really.
Hey, look.
Not on the glass.
Look.
Oh, he's got QCs on.
QC's.
Yeah. I didn't wear mine.
Flip flops.
That's a nice pair. I like that pair.
I got bootses.
They're not QCs. They're Swiss made.
Outdoor shoes.
Those are good. They're good for shop.
So when I get old like I am now, I don't have to pay
100%.
I have a couple pairs of Nikes that I like that I don't want to wear when I wore out.
Yeah.
Scotty, how's the lubing?
Great, my back feels wonderful.
I said sarcasm.
Yeah.
Yeah, him and I have had a day today.
Oh.
Nothing we touched was right.
It was a hot fucking mess.
The Cadillac that we...
Hey, boots this morning.
Oh yeah, that started out.
Oh,
I
it was
woke up
so
and like,
nice
"Ooh,
this
it's
morning when I
dusty."
got out of bed. Get to work. We're getting ready to do the ball joints. The upper control arms are cracked. Oops. And they welded the ball joints in place as they were spinning inside the hole.
Ooh.
I don't know how-
Good
I-
redneck engineering.
I have no clue how he got that car there without killing himself.
Like I welded ball joints in, but it's because I've moved it over 3/4 of an inch, and it was a
Yeah.
race car secret
Yeah.
weapon. That's different.
Okay,
Yeah.
somebody else can
You
get their
were
fingers all wet and red and
This
greasy.
was like hillbilly trying to get shit out of. Grant, would you like to finish lubing up the rubber?
How much is left? 100 miles from here. That's
Let's go back a little
Paper
bit.
towels, doctors. You're glad you're the only one that answered because that's
On
right.
spreading it between your fingers.
It's like doctor. Oh wait, we just have one.
Easily glides through the rubber.
Yeah, you didn't know. It's like there's probably bleeding everywhere.
Yeah, you feel. I mean, it's just not big difference.
What I missed?
I pulled the string.
What? The?
Then we're
Holy
gonna have
hell!
to put the string in here.
Then we'll
Yes.
put the string in, and we'll do the opposite corner first, bottom, because that's where we're gonna start it. Whoever's gonna, because I'm can't keep going in and out. Start with the corner that's not cracked, and have someone just gently push. One person on the inside and pull in the string.
Part, I forgot that.
Yeah. So we got to be a little careful. Go figure, you're greasing a crack. I know, right?
It goes both ways.
Oh, girl got it. Sorry, handle.
Oh, so we're
No,
still.
no. Go ahead, pull your end
We still got
with your left hand. Pull your end.
Yeah.
There we go.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. We got to get it right inside the.
Oh.
There we go. Yep. Hold on.
Like I got a transmission input shaft from him to use the clutch alignment tool. And I put the
Nope.
wrong number.
That goes back to the corners.
And so I called him like, hey Chris, the one I got is fence lines. Like, do you have
They
it?
cross each other.
I'm like, awesome.
Look at that. All right.
I'm just trying to save us getting.
Does everybody see what we got
whoever's gonna be
going
doing on
over
the
here?
It's going to get messy.
Yes.
So we'll just leave these crossed for the moment.
You use the parachute cord.
Now, what we're going to do
Use the parachute cord to
pretend
help
it's in the car for a minute.
the rubber
We're
pop
gonna-
in place.
Pull,
Okay.
and that's how you slide it into place.
To get it into the car.
Because it makes it easier, you can pull the rubber up instead of trying to do it with your fingers, and you crack the glass. This is just rope, it's not a big deal. So as you're pulling up, someone needs to gently tap so we don't make the crack worse, and one person needs to push. So you gently push, gently tap, and just pull the rubber.
Who's on deck?
So,
that's
someone's
two
going
people
inside the car
outside, one person
to pull the string. Who's gonna pull the string and make me sing? I mean, who's gonna pull the string?
Who's pulling string? Oh, girls on the
Beware
job.
The
You want
car's
the strings?
been
Alright,
painted
so let me-
there.
let
You're
me
gonna be
show
a
you.
little messy.
Alright, so I'm just gonna,
So all you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this one tight.
yeah, so I keep them crossed like
Yep,
that.
and you're gonna go like that. As you pull up, make sure that your rubber goes on the
Up and
inside of
over.
the car. Okay, and it's greased enough so it should be pretty easy. You're gonna get dirty. I'm telling you right
That's fine, I
now.
got my,
So once we get to the
already
top,
filthy.
once we get to the top, we'll push it down a little bit so that it goes into place. When you get to the top, make sure you
So
really
I should be slowly unreeling the string as
correct.
it's coming all the way through.
Exactly.
Okay, alright, I got
So we're gonna keep one
So that one I keep it left.
Right, you
and
keep
that
this
one
one
I'm just
left.
gonna go around.
Yep, and then just go around.
Yeah.
And as you get through, there we go. So we're gonna twist these for just a moment.
Do you want me to cut them shorter?
Yes, could you?
Yeah,
We need them
hold on.
about
Yeah,
here.
where the scissors?
Little surgery. I said surgery and you looked.
No, this is so
course
you
I have.
don't get filthy on the
Oh,
Google wall.
oh, good point.
Your ear?
Yep, that's perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.